Good afternoon. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Desrat Chaudhary. I am 22 years old. I am from Kailali, Nepal. I am single. I have four members in my family. My education is 10 pass. My height is 5.5 feet and my weight is 65 kg. I am physically fit and fine. I have 2 years of work experience as recycle worker in Nepal. Job and duty of a recycling worker is to collect and dispose of recyclable materials, operate recycling equipment, clean work area empty. Recycling means loading, unloading, store, etc. I want to come to Europe country for good future, also to develop my career, earn money to support my family. I we stay here for long times, maybe 5 6 years. Thank you. Thank you.